about that corner. Holy crap, we completely forgot about that corner. It's an empty garage. Everyone is right now headed over to Oregon Raceway Park. And we're headed to Discount Tire, baby. We got today's route card. And who needs that? Yeah, who needs that? We're gonna hopefully solve the issue of a chunk missing out of this rear left tire, just because we got a little bit carried away yesterday with some monkey business, doing a little bit of shreds, but go check out the previous video if you haven't yet. And with that, let's get ourselves a cold start. Oh man. God damn. It's going up.
Got ate up, like there's something in the middle. Got some cords.
Oh yeah, there's our little chop right there. It's pretty noticeable on the road now. It's definitely very wobbly. Cool. That it?
Never mind. Well, that was louder than that.
How's those baby pop?
I know. I was just saying, like the reason for the cage though is like, especially with off-road tires and stuff, like when they have to go to like 80 psi, like that was the burst. It would like, it could hurt you a lot.
Yeah.
So.
Fresh rubber down there. Now we're reset on burnout life. We're gonna go make it to the racetrack now. Catch up with everybody else. We are on the way. Found the Rest of Express Rally here at Oregon Raceway Park. It is basically a high elevation change fun racetrack out in the middle of the Oregon desert. Very technical, this track, and it's got a lot of cool bends. Now, if you guys remember, I actually have tracked the ZL1 on the Ridge, but that was in stock ZLE form. Obviously, ever since, we've now added 1,000 horsepower, which if you guys know track cars, you'll know that that is what's considered too much. So today we're gonna see what happens when you take that extra horsepower and put it to a technical road course. I'm here to prove that even though this car is built as a drag car, it's still a ZLE. It's got the freaking handling and cornering and track package that Chevy adds onto these Camaros, and that it ain't a one-trick pony like a Challenger or a Charger. So, you know, we're gonna see how she does. The course, sharp turn, should have downshifted prior to that. Gonna ease in. Now the entire time I'm out here, I'm never probably gonna even reach full throttle because this is a very technical course. Feeling out the course, and then we got huge elevation change. Can't see much after it. We're just going on a stroll. Then we got this wide bend. This car has so much grip for what it is still. And then this is my favorite part. Look at these freaking sweepers, it's like a water slide. Yeah, all the downforce is coming in clutch right there. This ain't no drag car. She can still corner. And then she can go fast when she needs to. We're getting traction control. Not exactly that happy right now. I don't know if I should turn it off. That might be a little risky with this much horsepower. About that corner. Holy crap, we completely forgot about that corner. We came in way too hot on the outside, but you can see this thing has so much grip, we somehow didn't go off. All right, now that corner is ingrained in my head. Oh my gosh, that was yeah, we were supposed to go off for that one. That was bad. That was definitely gonna be worse. Yeah, this car literally, it's just coasting the whole way. It's got way too much power to be on full throttle the whole time. If I were to use the full potential of this car, you'd probably want to do this track in second, but I might just stay in third just to take it easy. This third is still quick. Here's third in the bends. Oh yeah. Taking his helmet back.
Don't mind our
I can't have a helmet that cool. Post breakdown, I don't think I actually hit full throttle once on this course, but if you're a cautious person like me and you know to limit yourself, you could totally still track this car. Like, it's still cornered. It saved me from completely going off course when I thought I was coming in way too hot. So it still got it. This track is ridiculous. The freaking hills and elevation changes and the amount of blind corners that are out here too are very daunting. So I'm still not like fully comfortable with it, but Oregon Raceway Park, for any Oregon enthusiasts out here, it's worth a shot if they ever have events and stuff, because it's a pretty cool place. But I would say it is a track car still. Will I be tracking it though? I don't know. We might have other stuff in the fleet that might be better for that. Samir, out of every car here, which one do you think has the best fighting odds on this course?
Dude, the Exorcist or the CS? M3 CS.
I think those are too heavy for this.
Oh, dude.
If you're out there, it is tight.
Okay, I'm not out there, but it looked like you guys were hauling balls.
I don't know.
Everyone else was like taking it easy. You guys were cooking.
I'm gonna be the first one to admit that I think the Miata is he'd probably lay down the fastest time here out of all of us. That or one of the M2s. One of the M2s would have it.
It sounds so freaking gnarly. I mean, I was on the phone and my buddy's like, what was that in the background? And I was like, oh, nothing.
Yeah, don't worry about it.
It was nothing.
Man, he just enjoys feathering the throttle.
Like, you don't really need to do that, bro.
Yeah. Not every day at work, if you work at Discount Tire, you get to drive one of those, so I understand if he wants to have a little bit of fun, but it's entertaining me.